Reflex-2 Part 1. Volumes and areas of pyramids. What is a pyramid? A pyramid is a figure whose base is a polygon and the lateral faces are triangles that meet at the vertex. The height of a lateral face is called the slant height of the pyramid. And here are a couple of key points to consider. Number 1, a pyramid is regular unless stated otherwise on the SAT, and a regular pyramid space is a regular polygon. And the lateral faces are congruent isosceles triangles as shown in our cool rotating picture on the right side here. Let's talk about the lateral area of a pyramid. The lateral area is the sum of the areas of the lateral faces. So the lateral area is equal to half of the perimeter of base times slant height. So here is the formula for lateral areas of pyramids. It's equal to 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. Done. And next up, surface area. Surface area is the sum of the areas of all faces, and surface area includes the base area in addition to the lateral area. So here's the formula for the surface areas of pyramids. It's equal to the lateral area plus the base area. And finally, the volumes of pyramids. The volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times the base times the height. For example, calculate the volume of the regular square pyramid with the given length on the right. Okay, so we know the formula says the volume is equal to 1/3 times the base times the height. Now the base is equal to A times A, which is 64 square inches. So 1/3 times 64 times 3 is equal to 64, and the unit is cubic inches. Done. And here's another example. Calculate the lateral area of the regular square pyramid with the given length on the right. Okay, the lateral area is equal to 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height on the lateral face. So let's find out what we need. If we draw a line segment here that is perpendicular to the height and parallel to one of the sides here, then this side would be 4 and 4 here, and we have a right triangle over here with 4, and the height is 3. Therefore, this side is 5, or the slant height is 5. Now, let's use the formula. 1/2 times the perimeter. One side is A, so A times 4 times the slant height, which is 5. So that is equal to 16 times 5, which is 80. Now the unit would be square inches. The next part, calculate the surface area of the regular square pyramid with the given length on the right. Okay, the surface area is equal to the lateral area plus the base. So what we got, which is 80, plus the base area, which is A squared, which is equal to 80 plus 64, and that is equal to 144 in square inches. Done. And let's do some exercises. Number 1, calculate the lateral area of the regular pentagonal pyramid given on the left. The slant height is 12 inches and the side of the regular pentagon is 6 inches. Alright. The lateral area is equal to 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. So the slant height is 12. And a side of the regular pentagon is 6. So 1/2 times 6 times 5 sides times the slant height, which is 12. So that is equal to 180. And that would be square inches. Done. Number 2, calculate the surface area of the equilateral triangle pyramid given on the left. The slant height is 12 feet and the side of the equilateral triangle is 10 feet. Okay. The surface area is equal to the lateral area plus the base area. Now, the lateral area is equal to 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. So that is 1/2 times the perimeter is equal to 10 times 3, or 30, and then times the slant height, which is 12, and that will give us a 180 here for the lateral area. Now, the base. We have an equilateral triangle with each side being 10. So if we drop a perpendicular bisector here, we'll have 5 here and 10 on this side, which means this side would be 5 times square root of 3, because remember, this is a special right triangle. Now, the area of this triangle would be 1/2 times 10 times 5 times the square root of 3, which is equal to 25 times the square root of 3. So, the surface area is equal to 180 plus 25 times the square root of 3. Now, the unit would be square feet. Done. Number 3, calculate the volume of the equilateral triangle pyramid. Okay, the volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 times the base area times the height. So that is equal to 1/3 times the base, which is the area of the equilateral triangle. Remember, there's a formula for that. That is the side, or in our case, 10 squared times square root of 3 divided by 4. So that is the base area times the height given here, which is 8. So 4 and 8, they're reduced to 2/1. So we have 200 times the square root of 3/3. Now the unit would be in cubic feet. Done.